Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this simple step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can access and view all direct messages you have had with your contacts in Slack. So drop a like, let us get started right away. Alright, so head over to Slack, log into your account of course, and in the first step select your workspace here in the top left corner. So I'm going to use that workspace I created for demonstration purposes. And after that, guys, you will see that icon or feature here to the left on the left panel, DMs, direct messages. So if you hover your mouse over it without clicking on it, you will see that window here, or that overview of the most recent messages or conversations you have had with your contacts. Alternatively, guys, you may simply click on DMs here to get a better overview, and then you will see a list of all conversations and all direct messages you have sent so far to your contacts here to the left. And yeah, simply navigate through that menu here. For instance, if you click on the given conversation, you will be redirected to a summary of that given conversation so that you may browse through it, for instance, and read through past conversations. Alternatively, you may navigate through that list of direct messages here by typing in the contact name here where it says find a DM to access the messaging or the conversation you have had with the given contact. If you click on that button here in the top right corner, you will be given the opportunity to start a new conversation or to send a new message, and so on and so forth, guys. So as you can see, it is super simple. That's how you gain access to all direct messages in your Slack account. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you later.